In the previous video, we have created a landing page and we have chosen to make it a stateful widget. And the reason for this is that we want the landing page to store some state that we can use to decide if we should show the sign-in page or the home page that we will create soon. So what state should the landing page use to decide which page to show? Well, if we wanted, we could simply use a Boolean variable to tell us if the user was signed in or not. However, I'm going to suggest that instead we use an instance of type FirebaseUser. And just to be clear, FirebaseUser is a type that is returned inside the auth-result object that we get when we sign in with Firebase. So what we could do is to store a FirebaseUser as a mutable state variable inside our landing page. And to decide if we should show the sign-in page or the home page, we could check if that user is null or not. So just to be clear, at this point, I don't really have a strong enough reason to use a FirebaseUser rather than a simple Boolean variable to represent our state. But I will be able to justify this decision to use FirebaseUser in one of the upcoming videos. So for now, please just bear with me. Okay, so over here, we're going to create a FirebaseUser variable, and I'm going to call it _user to make it private. And I also need to import Firebase auth so that this symbol is defined. Then in our build method, we can add a check that says if our user is null, then return our sign-in page, and otherwise return. And for now, I'm just going to use a container like this. And this is going to be a temporary placeholder for the home page that we will create in a little bit. Okay, so we are ready to continue, and we'll do that in the next video.